Hey guys, meeting up with a friend here. We are going lawnmower convoying. Get your lawnmower up to condition. I do YouTube videos. Here, I can change that head speed. Wow. That looks good. She's gonna blow. Oh, maybe not. First off, we've got a John Deere RX-95, which is mine. I'm currently driving it, 12.5 horse. Pretty fast, I can beat his lawnmower. Here was just an LT-150, 15 horsepower OHV, and I can beat it too. I don't know how, but Siler Implements, credit to him. Nice ride. My seat, checking my oil here. We're good. I think we're getting ready to take off, guys.